Yo, what is up, YouTube? We are back again for another one for the highly anticipated, my highly anticipated, a lot of other people's highly anticipated, but the Nardwuar SB is finally here. I finally got my hands on a pair, and just like everyone else, I've been waiting since I've seen these. Since they first showed a picture of this release, I have been highly anticipating these. I am pretty known to what Nardwuar is and kind of like the stuff he does. So, I dig these shoes. But, just like any other review, I did pick these up off my, not really local, but the same skate shop where I got the Krampus SB Dunks and then my Persian Violets. I've been fucking with them, man. They're a cool shop. They're low key. Not many people go there. Again, just kind of like the Krampus release. It was me and the other dude that was there the last time. We're the same first two people there. He got there first before me this time though. Shout out to the homie. But anyways, and then after that, about probably I would say 30 minutes before they opened, they were gonna open up the shop. About maybe 5 other people showed up, 5, 6, 7 other people. Listen, I don't even want to. Okay, anyways, the shoe. Let's see. It says Nike SB Dunk Low Pro Quick Strike NW, which stands for Nardwuar. For those who don't know, Nardwuar is famous for being a interviewer from Canada that he's interviewed a bunch of different celebrities that he usually asks them crazy questions that celebrities would never expect a person to know, I guess. So, he's pretty unique. If you haven't checked him out, check him out. I would definitely say to do so. But of course, any other Quick Strike SB, it has the sale SB box. I showed you the name, my size 10.5, and good times. My shop. I kind of want to keep them a secret because I'm realizing that all the other shops around more closer to me that I can more so go pretty much camp out at or pick up shoes from. I guess one guy that was at one of the other stores pulled up and said that there was already people there camped out from super early in the morning. So he said he got there at 7 in the morning or something, and there was already people in line. So I kind of expected it. So, and where the shop where I went, it was just one other dude. So I love it. Anyways, when you open the shoe or the shoe box, of course, you do have the card that does have the Nardwuar, the Human Serviette Nike SB card with his picture and his favorite little little phrase that he's famous for, and that famous hat that these shoes are pretty much made after. Which I guess story is with the hat is that his mom gave it to him when he was a kid or something like that. Gave him a hat or something, I think that's the story. Anyways, so here is the shoe. Bam. I've been highly anticipating these shoes since the first time I seen them at the beginning of the year. These shoes are sick, bro. They're sick. Take a look at those, subtle details. It's already at the center, sorry. I'm looking at it on the screen when it's backwards. Anyways, there is the shoe. Let's not get it so close. Boom. That's the shoe, and it does have the regular, you know, standard paper. There's nothing special. It's regular wood grain paper. And I think I might be lucky or something, because this time I got 2 regular Nike SB stickers. Came with 2 in mine, and I picked these up from the skate shop. This is theirs, but you know, that's not really part of the shoe. Anyways, let me get these set up here. Boom. And this is pretty much your whole second spare set. Not really second, but your spare laces. If you want to give your shoes, you know, throw some different laces in them, you have definitely wide options here with these, which is cool. Like not many shoes give you like a bunch of laces like this, which is pretty nice. Anyways, it does have the little pom-pom on there, you see it? These laces are kind of like crazy. Let me get that. It's a little easier to show this one. But let me open this, or take this paper out, get this insole out, so I can show the insoles as well. I get these out as well. But yeah, like, so what are people thinking on these pairs? Did these sell out in your area? I know these at the skate shop I was at, I know they didn't really have that many, so they sold out I think in the first hour. But I know I was second in line. The homie was first, I was second, and then, you know, there was a few other people, but they didn't really have many sizes in each size, so which is good, because I know I got my size, and that's it's always a good thing. But anyways, here are the insoles, standard insoles. You know, they're just all black with his logo on it, with the Nardwuar human serviette, with the Nike SB logo at the bottom, and that's the same with the left and right shoe. Yeah, let's see, when were these made? This shoe was made from 5, so that's what, May 21 through July 23, 2025. So they weren't made too long ago. Wrong shoe. Yeah, they weren't made too long ago, which is pretty cool. Pretty fresh, you know. I've been seeing Nardwuar going crazy, going like all over Canada and all over US, doing pop-ups at all these skate shops and stuff, man. Like, I just wish I was able to get one of those promo tees, man. Those promo Nardwuar shirts are sick, or hella sick. Yeah, anyways, I mean, there's not really much to this shoe other than having the full, like, what is this pattern that he has going on his shoe here. This is like a like a canvas, kind of like plaid look. I mean, it looked like some pajama almost material look to it. I think it's fire, man. It's a fire shoe. And you do have I like the black laces, honestly. I like having the black laces in there. And then the pom-pom is also removable, so you can take that off, which I might take mine off, because I don't know, I feel like it would probably fall off maybe. I kind of like the look without it. I would probably have the laces in front of this, so I wouldn't really want to have that like exposed. Just showing like that looks kind of weird. But I haven't laced these up yet, so, you know, everything's still kind of like how they came. But I mean, let me know, did you guys pick these up? I know there's been a bunch of people already picked these up, and a bunch of people went to like a lot of those skate shop events and already got early pairs, signed pairs, like a bunch of promo shirts and posters and stickers and stuff like that. Like, you know. But anyway, sorry, I kind of got sidetracked. This is kind of like a texture, like what is this? Like cloth material almost, and then the swoosh is suede. Well, it's like a nubuck, black nubuck on that Nike swoosh. You can see that there, and on the back also does say the doo, and like on the bottom of the pairs too reflects the same exact scheme. So yeah, just like the back tab also has it on the bottom there. Shit, let me spin this around. You see that? Do. I mean, I guess it kind of alternates between the two. This one has a do, and do on the back, and then this one has do, and then do on the back. Yep. And it does have that clear, translucent sole, which I really like. It's kind of like a smoke translucent sole. See that there? With the black foam Phylon insert. I mean, I feel like the shoe is pretty simple, but doesn't really take away for how fire the shoe is, honestly. You know, like they say, sometimes simplicity is key. Honestly, really like it though. It doesn't have that regular white and black Nike SB Dunk Low Pro tag on the tongue and on the back. Just regular, there's nothing really special, nothing under here either. Yeah. Tell me what you guys are thinking. On the Nardwuar SB, did you guys pick up a pair? Are you gonna pick up a pair? Did you get lucky? Did you score your size? I know I was hoping to try to get a smaller size for my girl, but for some reason all the skate shops around me only carried size 8 through 13, which I guess, you know, it's kind of common since they are limited, but I did see that they did have other smaller sizes like on StockX and GOAT and stuff like that, so I don't know. Tell me what you guys are thinking though. What is your thoughts on the Nike SB Nardwuar that just dropped today at skate shops? Today is December 6th, by the way. Just picked these up this morning, so did you guys get lucky? Did you guys score a pair? Let me know down in the comments. You know, I appreciate those that have been watching. Again, tell me what you think of the Nardwuar SB. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Throw a comment down. Tell me what you think. What's the next shoe that I should review? Because I think this is pretty much one of the last shoes of the year. So, you know, I don't know what's the next SB that's gonna drop, but I will be on the lookout. And you know, I appreciate those who've been watching. You know, I'm gonna cut this short before it gets a little longer, but anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Peace.